This is a step-by-step RAM replacement for the MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody. You'll need Phillips and Torx drivers, a spudger, anti-static strap, and compatible RAM. This applies to 2006-2008 Unibody 17-inch models using DDR2 SODIMM modules, Verify Model Identifier. Remove the 10 bottom case screws, organizing them by length and location. Lift the Unibody shell straight up to expose the internal components. Locate the RAM bay beside the battery, then release the retention clips. Grip the module and pull it out at a 45-degree angle. Align the module notch, insert at 45 degrees, then press down until it clicks. Replace the Unibody cover, reinstall screws in their original positions and tighten. Ensure the battery connector is secure and remove any loose tools from the case. Power on the Mac, open About This Mac, and confirm the new total RAM. If everything checks out, you're finished. Seek professional service if issues persist.